Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to reproduce this 3D lettering style with neon inside your letter. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use both the text tool and the selection tool to create the 3D letter and the bloom effect to add neon bars to your creation. If you want to use the same color palette as me, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background. Select the color background layer on your layers panel. Then choose this black color from the color palette. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this blue color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add text, then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. Then choose the Futura font in bold style with a fairly large size. Duplicate your text layer. Tap on it, then edit text. Select this light blue color. Tap this button to create the outline of your letter. Then tap Done. Select your two layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then put your letter in the middle of your canvas with the size you want. Now we are going to create a thinner outline. To do this, tap and hold with two fingers the layer with your letter. Select your layer with the outline. Tap and hold the selection tool. And tap Invert at the bottom of your screen. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas. It opens the Copy-Paste menu. If you want to learn more about the Copy-Paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut. And now you have a thinner outline. Let's create the 3D letter. Select the layer with your letter and tap the Transform tool. Then drag your layer towards the bottom left. Pick the blue color from the letter. Tap the selection tool. Make sure it is in freehand mode and tap Color Fill. Then connect each edge that is outside the letter. Go to your Layers panel, slide from left to right to enable Alpha Lock on your layer. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Take this blue color from the color palette, go back to the selection mode, then select the bottom edges of your letter with it. Create a new layer above the layer with your letter. Go back to the selection mode and select the edges facing to the bottom inside the letter. Take this blue color from the color palette, then use the selection tool and select the edges facing to the right inside the letter. Let's create the neon lights. For this, we need to create a large size monoline brush. Go to your brush library, calligraphy, slide from right to left on the monoline brush and duplicate it. Tap on the duplicated monoline brush. Inside the Brush Studio, go to the properties and set the maximum brush size to 80%. Then tap Done at the top right. Create a new layer below the layer with your outline. Then create straight lines with this light blue color on your canvas. Tap on your layer with 2 fingers to lower the opacity. Then tap on your layer and add a mask. If you want to learn more about masks, I invite you to watch this video. Take the black color, tap the selection tool and make sure color fill is on. Select all the parts of your neon that extend beyond the outside of your letter. For the parts that are inside your letter, tap on your layer with your letter, tap the selection tool, disable color fill, and select the part you want to erase. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas, then tap Cut. And repeat the process for each part you want to erase. Then put back full opacity to your layer. Go to the Adjustments menu and select the bloom effect in layer mode. Slide to the right to adjust the amount of bloom. And use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the size and strength of the effect. For the finishing touches, first make sure everything is in the middle of your canvas. Select all your layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then drag everything in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to 100%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 7%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!